It's literally a wash and go in 10 minutes or less. Hey cousins, it's Alexandraa here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
What's up, cousin? What's up?
okay cousins, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be trying out some new hair today, so let's go ahead and get into it. Today's hair was provided by Gorgius Hair. The packaging, first of all, this is so freaking pretty. It's just an iridescent box that has the brand name across it, and then it says Defy and Define at the bottom. Let's go ahead and get into the contents of this box. So inside the box, they give you a couple of wig caps, cute iridescent little pouch here, and it's got a couple of things in it, so let's see. Comes with a edge brush, an elastic band, little hair clips, got some bobby pins, and then a pair of tweezers. Okay, so I can use all those things. I ain't mad at that. And then let's go ahead and get into this hair. So first of all, this is so freaking cute. It's just this little satin bag here with the cute little string ties that says Gorgeous down them. Go ahead and open this up. I'm excited, y'all. I actually have been seeing this hair all over TikTok, so I am super excited to try this wig out today. So I've taken it out the bag and the net. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. So pretty. It smells good, doesn't have a funny smell or anything. This is inside the cap. It's got two clips here, a clip in the back, and then an elastic band for some extra support. Love that. This is the Bouncy Shaggy Bang wig. It's in 14 inches in the natural black color. Oh, this is so pretty. It's definitely giving wash and go. The style of this wig is definitely giving wash and go. It does not come with any lace, so you don't have to worry about laying anything down. You don't have to worry about laying down any baby hairs or anything. Okay, so I got my wig cap on. Let's go ahead and put this wig on. Y'all, this is straight out the pack. Seriously, this is very, very pretty. Like, it's definitely giving wash and go. Like, I look like I did a wash and go. I've tried to achieve this style with my natural hair, but my hair is too long for bangs. So I am living my natural hair dream right now, sis. This is so freaking pretty, and the hair is super duper soft. It is human hair. This is fire. Oh my god. I am here for this. So I haven't done anything to it. You shouldn't have to do anything to it unless you want to. This is bomb. This is perfect for the summertime. Like I said, you don't have to lay no edges or nothing like that. You can just plop this on and literally just go. All the curls look the same because my hair is heat damaged, so I have to do a little bit more work to mine to achieve a look like this. But this literally takes seconds to plop on your head. I do actually want to define the curls a little bit more. So I'm just going to spray a bit of water on the hair, not too much. Just a tad bit water. So I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse to define the curls. Just define them a little bit more. I want more volume, but I also want more definition in the curls before I pick it out. So okay, so I've wetted a little bit and added some mousse to kind of define the curls a bit more. Low-key is giving Soul Glow, like from Coming to America. I have my blow dry here and I'm gonna attach the diffuser to it. I'm just gonna diffuse my curls real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the hair dry and diffused. See, it's a little bit more definition to it. Like I said, I love me some volume. So I got this wide tooth comb. I cannot find my pick, so I'm just going to go in at the root and pull out just for a little bit more volume. Okay, I've got it picked out to my liking. It's as big as I want it to be, y'all. This hair is fire. Like I said earlier, my natural hair has heat damage to the whole like left side of it towards the front. So it takes a lot for me to get my hair even remotely close to this style. And with this wig, you just plop it on and go. I just wanted to be extra because I wanted the curls to be a little bit more defined and I wanted a bit more volume. So as far as me applying the water and the mousse and then using the diffuser, that's totally optional. Like, you can literally just apply this wig and go in 10 minutes or less, depending on what you do to it. It's literally a wash and go in 10 minutes or less. It definitely gives off that natural vibe. This hair is definitely perfect for every day. This is the perfect summertime wig. Let me turn around for you so you can see the back. That's the back. This is just it. This is it. That's all I can say. It's it. Thank you so much to Gorgius for sending me over this hair. And as far as it going viral on TikTok, is it worth the hype? Definitely. It is definitely worth the hype. You know, a lot of people hype up things, especially on TikTok, and they don't really live up to the hype. But this hair here definitely does. I'm not sure of the density on this. Like I said, it's in the 14 inches and it's in the natural black color. I just keep playing in it because it's so pretty. I'm not sure of the density, but it is pretty thick and full, as you can tell. But I will have everything linked down in the description box below. I do also have a discount code that I have linked below where you can get some money off on your order. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed this hair. And of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time your big cousin uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out. Bye. Bye.